Thank you to the people over at TrapMate for sending over this product sample for this drain hair catcher. This is something that was definitely needed in my household. There is some hair that's in the shower from time to time, and this definitely helps the process of cleaning that out. So first thing I like about it right away is that it is super easy to install. There's no screws, nothing like that. You just set it on the right over the top of where the drain would be, and then you are good to go. Unscrew the previous one and then just set this up on top. I really enjoy this silicone bottom here. It makes it so that it does not move at all when you're in the shower. You don't even know that it's not screwed in because it's not really moving much because of the silicone that is on the bottom. It is about 4.5 inches in diameter, I would say, and to clean it, extremely simple. You just pick it up and then you can go over to the garbage can and then just dump this out to get the hair out, and then you can rinse it underwater if there's any more stuff on there, whatever it may be, and then you just set this back into place. And then another thing that I also like, let's say you are working with a drain that has bigger holes in it. If you drop, say, a ring or an earring, I don't know why, if it would fall off, it could go through and then go down the drain. But with this, it's not going to, just because there's no leeway in there, and it's able to be caught in this little area here. But super simple product to use. Really enjoy it so far. When I've been testing it out, I know the first night after using it, there was some hair left over in the shower, and I was able to just pick this up and then dump it into the trash can, rinse it off quick, and then set it right on top. It's really that easy to use. So if you are in the market for a hair drain catcher, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this from TrapMate. We like it, and hope you do too. Thanks.